From the moment we open our eyes, we are flooded with information from the world around us. Our eyes, these intricate and complex organs, are our windows to the universe, allowing us to perceive the beauty of a sunset, the wonder of a starlit sky, and the intricate details of the faces we love. But have you ever stopped to consider how this remarkable sense of sight actually works? How do our eyes capture light and transform it into a coherent picture of reality? The answer, my friends, is a tale of breathtaking complexity, a symphony of biological processes that rivals the grandest cosmic phenomena. Light enters through the cornea, our eye's outermost lens, and passes through the pupil, the dark circle in the center of our iris. The iris, the colored part of our eye, controls the amount of light entering by adjusting the pupil's size. This light then travels through the lens, a flexible structure that focuses the incoming light onto the retina at the back of the eye. The retina is where the magic truly happens. We humans are visual creatures. We rely heavily on our sense of sight to navigate the world and appreciate its beauty. But what we see is just a small fraction of the electromagnetic spectrum. Our vision is unique, just like our human experience. Take the honeybee, for example. They perceive the world differently. Bees see ultraviolet light, invisible to us, revealing hidden patterns on flowers. Or consider the eagle, with its legendary eyesight. They can spot prey from miles away, seeing a wider range of colors. Eagles have two foveae, allowing for incredible detail and a wider field of view. Animals have evolved diverse visual adaptations to suit their environments. Owls have exceptional night vision, packed with light-sensitive rod cells. Chameleons have independently rotating eyes, offering a 360-degree view. These adaptations remind us of the diversity of life and challenge our understanding of sight. Studying other creatures' eyes may unlock new secrets about our own vision. Nature's ingenuity inspires us, showcasing the power of evolution and endless possibilities. We often say that the eyes are the windows to the soul, reflecting our emotions and revealing our inner world. But what about their physical characteristics? What can we learn from the color of our eyes? Eye color, that captivating feature that can range from the deepest brown to the most striking blue, is determined by the amount and distribution of melanin in the iris, the colored rings surrounding the pupil. Melanin, a pigment also responsible for skin and hair color, acts like a natural sunscreen, absorbing and scattering light. High concentrations of melanin result in brown eyes, the most common eye color worldwide. As melanin concentration decreases, eye color lightens, leading to shades like hazel and green. Blue eyes, on the other hand, occur when there is very little melanin in the iris. In this case, light scatters off the collagen fibers in the iris, making it appear blue, much like the scattering of sunlight in the sky creates the illusion of a blue sky. Despite popular belief, eye color is not a simple Mendelian trait, meaning it is not determined by a single gene inherited from each parent. Instead, multiple genes contribute to the complex process of melanin production and distribution in the iris. This explains why two brown-eyed parents can have a blue-eyed child, or why siblings can have different shades of the same eye color. The notion that eye color can change based on mood or environment is another common misconception. While the iris can appear to change color depending on factors like lighting, clothing, and even emotional state, this is simply due to the way light interacts with the melanin and other structures in the iris. The underlying amount of melanin remains constant. So, while our eye color may not hold the secrets to our personality or predict our destiny, it is a fascinating example of the interplay between genetics and biology, a reminder that even seemingly simple traits can be surprisingly complex. We often take for granted the seamless way we navigate the world, reaching for objects, judging distances, and coordinating our movements with ease. This remarkable ability is due in part to an often overlooked marvel of our visual system, binocular vision. Binocular vision refers to our ability to see with both eyes simultaneously. It is a complex neurological feat requiring the coordinated effort of our eyes, brain, and muscles. Each eye captures a slightly different image, known as retinal disparity. This arises because our eyes are positioned about 2.5 inches apart. Our brain merges these images into a single, three-dimensional view. This process, called stereopsis, allows us to perceive depth and distance. The benefits of binocular vision extend beyond depth perception. Our brain combines information from both eyes to enhance contrast sensitivity. Many animals like owls also possess binocular vision for hunting. So, the next time you navigate the world, marvel at the wonder of binocular vision. In the realm of vision, even stillness is an illusion. Our eyes, far from being passive cameras, are in constant motion, making tiny, involuntary movements known as microsaccades. These movements, imperceptible to the naked eye, are essential for our ability to see the world in all its detail and vibrancy. Microsaccades are rapid, jerky movements of the eyes, typically less than 1/10 of a degree in amplitude. They occur several times per second and are interspersed with periods of fixation, where the eyes remain relatively still. While these movements may seem like mere neurological noise, they play a crucial role in preventing our vision from fading out. Our visual system is designed to detect changes in light patterns. When an image falls on the same spot on the retina for an extended period, the photoreceptor cells responsible for detecting light become fatigued, and the image begins to fade. Microsaccades counteract this adaptation by constantly shifting the image slightly on the retina, ensuring that fresh photoreceptor cells are stimulated and the image remains clear and vibrant. In essence, our eyes are constantly refreshing the visual scene, preventing our perception from fading into a blur. But the role of microsaccades extends far beyond preventing fading. Recent research suggests that these tiny movements also contribute to our ability to perceive fine details, enhance contrast sensitivity, and even compensate for small errors in eye movements. By studying microsaccades, researchers hope to gain a deeper understanding of how our visual system processes information and how eye movements contribute to our overall perception of the world. This knowledge could lead to new diagnostic tools for eye diseases, improved treatments for visual impairments, and even advancements in artificial vision systems. So, the next time you gaze upon a breathtaking vista or lose yourself in the pages of a book, remember that your eyes are not merely passive observers. They are active participants in the process of seeing, constantly dancing and darting about, ensuring that the world remains in sharp focus. Our eyes, those tireless sentinels of the visual world, are constantly exposed to a barrage of environmental insults: dust, debris, allergens, and the drying effects of air and digital screens. Yet despite these daily challenges, our eyes remain remarkably resilient, thanks in part to the unsung heroes of eye health. Tears. Tears, far from being mere expressions of emotion, are a vital component of our ocular defense system, a complex and dynamic fluid that bathes and protects the delicate surface of our eyes. They are a sophisticated cocktail of water, oils, electrolytes, and proteins, each component playing a crucial role in maintaining the health and clarity of our vision. One of the primary functions of tears is lubrication. With every blink, a thin film of tears spreads across the surface of the eye, reducing friction, preventing dryness, and ensuring smooth movement of the eyelids. Without this constant lubrication, our eyes would feel gritty and irritated, and our vision would become blurry and distorted. But tears are more than just ocular lubricants. They also act as a powerful cleansing agent, washing away dust, debris, and allergens that can irritate the eyes and impair vision. The constant flow of tears helps to flush away these foreign particles, preventing them from scratching the cornea or causing infection. Tears also contain a potent arsenal of antimicrobial agents, including lysozyme, lactoferrin, and immunoglobulins. These natural antibiotics help to protect the eyes from harmful bacteria and viruses, preventing infections that can threaten vision. While dust may be an unavoidable nuisance, our tears are constantly working to mitigate its potential harm. So, the next time you feel a speck of dust irritating your eye, remember the vital role of tears in maintaining your ocular health. As we've journeyed through the cosmos of the eye, we've uncovered the fascinating mechanisms that underpin our ability to see. From the intricate structure of the eye itself to the complex neural processing that transforms light into meaning, it's a story of breathtaking complexity and awe-inspiring elegance. Our eyes, these irreplaceable windows to the world, deserve our utmost care and attention. Simple lifestyle choices like taking regular breaks from digital screens, wearing sunglasses to protect our eyes from harmful UV rays, and maintaining a healthy diet rich in antioxidants can go a long way in preserving our precious gift of sight. Remember, if you experience any changes in your vision, don't hesitate to seek the advice of an eye care professional. Early detection and treatment of eye conditions are crucial for preventing vision loss and maintaining optimal eye health.